Hello everyone. Internshala is an amazing platform for students and young professionals looking for internships and job opportunities. Whether you are in engineering, management, design, architecture, or any other field, Internshala has plenty of opportunities for your skills and career aspirations. In today's video, we'll show you how to register on Internshala and land your dream internship or job. Why should you register on Internshala? Internshala is one of the best internship and job search platform. Its user-friendly interface and inbuilt features can simplify your job search process. But what are the benefits of registering on Internshala? Let's find out. Get access to internships and job listings. Explore a massive database of internship and jobs from top companies and startups. Filter and search internships, jobs easily. Narrow down your search based on location, industry, job profile, experience level and salary. Enroll in skill development resources. Access valuable resources like online short-term courses or job-oriented courses to enhance your resume. Manage all applications easily. Manage all your internships, job application in one centralized location under My Application in your account. Who can register as a candidate? Whether you are a college student seeking internship opportunities or a recent graduate looking to apply for entry-level positions, you can register on Internshala. Candidates with relevant work experience in their industry can also register on Internshala platform. Now, let's move on to the next step, which covers how to create an Internshala account. How to register on Internshala. Step 1. Navigate to Internshala registration page to begin the registration process. Go to the official Internshala website at internshala.com. Click on the candidate sign up button located at the top right corner of the web page. Step 2. Make an account on Internshala. When you click the candidate sign up button, you will be redirected to a new web page with two options to sign up. These options will guide you through the process of creating a new account as a candidate. Option 1. Register directly with a Google account. If you have any existing Gmail account, click on the sign up with Google option. Choose a Gmail account to continue with the registration process. Option 2. Manual registration with email and password. The second option is to sign up manually with an email and password. If you choose this option, you will need to enter the following information. Use an active and valid email address to register. This will be your primary mode of communication with Internshala and will help you receive internship and job alerts. Create a strong password for logging in. It should be at least 6 characters long. Enter your first and last name correctly as it appears on your official documents. Once you have entered the above information, click this sign up button. Step 3. Complete the verification process. After completing the sign up process, you will receive a verification email from the platform. The email will be sent to register email address you provided during the sign up process. This email confirms your registration. To activate your Internshala account, go to your email, find the verification email from Internshala, click on the verification link inside the email, and you will be redirected to the Internshala platform to complete the activation process. Now you can access Internshala's features and benefits, including applying for internships and jobs, learning resources, and career guidance. Step 4. Fill out your profile information. Once you successfully register, the next important part is creating your Internshala profile. This profile will serve as a virtual resume, showcasing your skills, qualification, and experience to potential employers. Add personal details in this section. Enter your basic details. Here is a list of information you need to include. Enter your first name and the last name as it appears on your official records, government ID card or graduation certificate. Enter the same email address you registered with Internshala. Enter an active mobile number so employers can easily contact you. Ensure you choose the correct country code. Select the languages you are proficient in reading, writing, and speaking. Profile type. Choose the profile type from the available options. College student. Select this option if you are currently in college and interested in internships. Fresher. Choose this profile type if you want to apply for entry-level jobs after graduation. Working professional. Select this option if you have prior work experience. School student. Choose this option if you are a high school student. Woman returning to work. This profile type is for women looking to return to work after a career gap. Note: once you choose the relevant profile type according to your qualification and work level and experience level, you will need to fill out details related to the option you selected to proceed further. Include your area of interest, whether you signed up directly with a Google account or manually entered your email ID. You will proceed by selecting the key areas of interest. This step will enable Internshala to match career opportunities based on your expertise, qualification, and experience. Note: you can select as many as skills you want based on your educational background and experience, and explore more internship and job opportunities. Select the internship job preference in this section. You will select the type of opportunity you are interested in. This could be an internship or a job. You will also need to choose a work mode based on your preference. You can select the in-office or work from home option. Click on Find Me Opportunities button. After selecting the type of opportunity and work mode you prefer, this will take you to the internship or job listing. Pro tip: Incorporate relevant keywords from the job description into your resume to optimize it. Remember to edit your resume according to each internship or job profile you want to apply for. You can watch this video on how to make your resume ATS friendly to get a better idea of how to draft your resume. In this video, we shared comprehensive steps on how to register on Internshala, ensure that employers can reach out to you by having a valid email address and an active phone number. Furthermore, accurately enter your personal information, educational qualifications, skills, and other necessary information. Watch this video for easy step-by-step guide to get hired on Internshala. This increases your chances of being considered for the internship or job you are applying for. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more such content. Happy job hunting on Internshala.